Hi friends, welcome to World Explorer India. Today we are discussing about lymphoma on account of World Lymphoma Awareness Day on September 15. At first we'll see what's lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are the part of immune system. These are the sites of lymphocyte production, that is B and T cells. If there is any infection to lymph nodes, it causes lymphadenopathy, that is called as swollen lymph nodes. Usually lymph nodes fight the infections. They form the memory cells to fight future infections. So what is lymphoma? Lymphoma is a cancer of lymphatic tissue. Based on the appearance, it is divided into Hodgkin's and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. The etiology include herbicide and pesticide exposure, Epstein-Barr virus, cytomegalovirus, Helicobacter pylori, Campylobacter, hepatitis C, herpes, HIV and previous transplantation, TNF-alpha inhibitors, and rheumatoid arthritis. The signs and symptoms of lymphomas are anorexia, weight loss, painless swollen lymph nodes, fatigue, fever, night sweating, enlarged tonsils or splenomegaly, anemia, thrombocytopenia and leukopenia. And next thing is erythema multiforme, that means plaques with bright red borders on extremities and oral mucosa are very common. Next is erythema nodosum, that is painful nodules on extensor surface of lower extremities. Erythroderma, erythema of the skin. Ichthyosis, hyperkeratosis of palms and soles. Pruritus, itching and burning sensation. Purpura, red or purple discoloration of the skin. And mediastinal lymphadenopathy is very common in lymphomas. And there is a chance of superior vena cava obstruction, which is manifested by edema and cough. Diagnosis usually done by the lymph node biopsy and bone marrow aspiration, chest x-ray and complete blood picture. Treatment includes radiation therapy, chemotherapy with vincristine and doxorubicin, small frequent meals, adequate fluid intake and rest and limited activity. We have to watch for the complications such as infections, bleeding, electrolyte imbalances, jaundice, malnutrition, dehydration. Next thing is Hodgkin's lymphoma. Hodgkin's lymphoma usually characterized by the Reed-Sternberg cells, that is whole eye cells in the pathology. This is the disease of young adults, usually occurs in the age of 20 to 30 years, manifested by fever, loss of body weight and painless lymphadenopathy, cervical and supracervical nodes and mediastinal mass on the X-ray. Treatment includes radiation therapy and chemotherapy. Next is non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. This is the B cell and T cell malignancies. It is divided into dormant, aggressive or fatal. That is, it may be inactive or it may become very aggressive and fatal. It is seen in the elders. Lymphadenopathy, hepatomegaly, splenomegaly and cytopenia is symptoms. Elevated LDH and uric acid is seen. Diagnosis by lymph node biopsy and treatment by chemotherapy, doxorubicin, vincristine, prednisone and rituximab. Next is Burkitt lymphoma. It is very aggressive B cell lymphoma. It appears as tumor of the jaw or facial bones. Extranodal sites include kidneys, testes, ovary and meninges. Stem cell transplantation is given for the treatment of lymphoma, that is bone marrow transplantation. This is allogenic, that is matched donor. Autologous means own bone marrow. Next is alopecia. These are the symptoms, some of the terminology related to lymphomas. Alopecia is the loss of hair. B cell is produced by the thymus and our bone marrow. Next thing, it is WBC is helpful for the production of antibodies. Tumor of B cell called B cell lymphoma or myeloma. Biopsy is a diagnostic procedure where we are sending some small tissue for the pathological analysis. Chemotherapy is the treatment of cancer, kill the growth of cells. Chemotherapy side effects include hair loss, nausea. Corticosteroids like prednisone, methylprednisone, dexamethasone is given to the patients to avoid the GVHD. GVHD is graft versus host disease. That means if any person is receiving a transplant from other person, there is a chance of rejection. To avoid this rejection, we are giving the corticosteroids to reduce the immune system. So during this, we have to isolate the patient on strict isolation and no mass gatherings, and continuous evaluation of the patient for fever. If any fever is there, immediate treatment is needed. Hypercalcemia is very common, so usually this is treated with the biphosphonates such as palmidronate, etidronate, risedronate and aldronate. Next is lymphoma. Lymphoma is a cancer of lymph cells. It is affecting the lymph glands, spleen, bone marrow. Types are Hodgkin's and non-Hodgkin's. Apart from this, there are so many other subtypes. Splenectomy usually done in sometimes. Radiotherapy, chemotherapy and stem cell transplantation is the treatment. If you like this, subscribe, comment and share to your friends and family members.